I love when I find little gadgets that just make life easier. This is a measuring tape from WORKPRO, and you get 3 in a set. You can also order them singly, and I absolutely love the pink, but they also come in blue if you're not too fond of the pink. And this is how I received them. There were 3 of them in this package, in this really pretty box. There's a sticker on here that says that they support the National Breast Cancer Foundation, which is awesome. And all 3 of these have an aluminum carabiner on it. So you could hang this on your belt loop. You could, and you can see how easy that works. Belt loop, tote bag, backpack. This is small enough and lightweight enough that you could throw this in your pocket, but you could also keep it in your car, in your glove box. You could keep it when you're crafting hooked onto your craft bags. This is going to be a really nice gadget for quilters, sewers, any kind of craft or DIY enthusiast. But this goes out to, I'll show you how far it goes out. It goes out to 60 inches or 150 centimeters. There's the inches right here. And then the centimeters is on the other side, and it has the millimeter marks on there as well. I love that it is like a fabric, like a plastic coated fabric, so it won't cut you. You know, I do not like those metal ones that you're afraid are going to cut you. So kids could use this too. They could use this as a learning tool. But these are really nice. It has a hard plastic outer case. My husband always likes to have a tape measure handy, but it's not always possible to have that great big one that he keeps in his truck. So this is perfect for me to keep in my car. If you are a thrifter and you often like to measure things, maybe you're measuring furniture to make sure that it will fit in your house, things like that. If you do reselling and you're often measuring items so that you can list them, this would be perfect for that. You could have a whole set of 3 so that you don't misplace them. So many wonderful uses for this. Another feature that I really like is that it stays in place without having to lock anything. So you can see if I just want to pull it out 1 inch, it will pull out just 1 inch and it will stay there. There we go. That's at 3.5 inches. So I don't have to keep adjusting it. But this is really good. Thank you to the brand for sending this to me.